If you are no longer using Roblox or want to remove your data from the platform, you can request to have your account deleted. Roblox does not offer a direct delete account button, but you can still permanently close your account through their support process. And here's how to delete your Roblox account. For that, you need to go ahead and open your Roblox application first, log into your specific account, and then after, tap on the More icon from the bottom right corner of the screen and scroll down. Tap on Settings. Now tap on Privacy and Content Maturity or Restrictions. From this page, tap on Account Deactivation and Deletion that you will find below Blocked Users, and which is also the last option in this page. Now you'll get two different options of deactivating account, that which is reversible. So while deactivated, your profile will be hidden and you will not be able to use Roblox. But if you initiate account deletion, it is permanent and it cannot be reversed. And after deleting your account, you will not be able to access any items from your Roblox account. If you're sure and if you want to delete your account, you can deactivate it instead. But if you really want to delete your account permanently, you can go ahead and tap on Initiate, then tap on Initiate again to confirm. And Roblox will ask you to input your correct form of your password of your Roblox account. Go ahead and input that and confirm your deletion. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.